Musk has said nothing about the mysterious drones, and here's why that's weird. Elon Musk is constantly posting his thoughts on X, but he has yet to comment on the mysterious drones flying across the United States. Steve Deese of the Steve Deese Show thinks it's a little odd that the world's leading technologist, cherished truth seeker, and one of X's most prolific posters has absolutely nothing to say about something that is increasingly seeming like a possible threat to American citizens. He is a prolific poster, Deese comments. How is it possible the world's leading technologist has nothing to say about mysterious fleets of drones showing up now in 3 different military installation air bases in 3 completely different regions of the country? How is it possible a guy who has launched more satellites and rockets into space than NASA has nothing to say? He says there's one meme, I found a meme, nothing else. Frankly, he's had more to say about Ketanji Brown Jackson's Rainbow Broadway performance, which in a way I'm kind of happy to see that. From a moral, philosophical perspective, find that pleasing, but this is very strange. Last year, Deese himself was questioned why he was not commenting on the biggest story, the sports story scandal. He said that it's because he was actually involved in it behind the scenes. I had to keep my mouth shut, he said before, reverting back to Elon. What private citizen on planet Earth would have more wherewithal to give us information about this, who just happens to be getting ready to head up the NGO going after waste, fraud, and abuse? Deese asks. I find this to be a fascinating disconnect, that there's nothing. Like, he's not even re-sharing information from people, he continues, adding, it's like this story does not exist in the Elon Musk ecosystem. And this is from The Blaze on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.